Welcome to Arabic on channel. If you want to learn Arabic, read Arabic, write Arabic, pronounce Arabic, speak Arabic, this is the right channel for you. And share this video to anyone who wants to benefit. Let's get right into the video. Alright, for today's lesson, we're going to learn a new letter. Yay, so exciting. It's letter Ain, Ain. This is how we write it in the beginning. This is how we write it in the middle. It has two ways, this or this. And this is how we write it at the end. You write it completely with the connecting line. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please refer to the previous videos. Watch them over and over again to know what I'm talking about. Alright, so this is Harful Ain, letter Ain. Ain, Ain, Ain. عين 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 with فتحة عين with ضمة عو and عين with كسرة عي عين with كسرة عي. Alright, so عين, again, this is how we write it in the beginning. You have to watch the videos, although they're short, but you have to watch them over and over again to know what I'm talking about. So عين with مد بالواو عو, عين with مد بالياء عي, and عين with مد بالألف ع. That is the stretch for the letters which we've studied earlier a couple of lessons ago, which are called the long vowel. The long vowel. Alright, let's put حرف العين, letter عين, into usage. We have عين connected to ba, connected to ra. We can't connect ra after it, but we can connect it before it. So we're putting فتحة, فتحة, فتحة. So ع, ba, ra. ع, ba, ra. عين with فتحة, ba with فتحة, ra with فتحة. ع, ba, ra. He crossed. He crossed. This means he crossed. Alright, another word. Let's see. What do we have here? ع, and then connect it to ba. Oh, we don't connect it because of the mad bil alif. So alif is not connectable after. You can connect it before, but you can't connect it after. So we put mad bil alif, so you read it as a, and then the ba with kasra bi, and then the ra with dhamma ru. Ra with dhamma ru. Abiru. Abiru. Abiru, something that's passing by. Something that is passing by, and that is for a female. For a male, for a male. For a female, we say عابرة, عابرة, عابر وعابرة. And crossing for a female is عبرت, عبرت. We add that ta with sukun to indicate that this verb is for a female. عبرت. عين فتحة, باء فتحة, راء فتحة, تاء سكون. We read it as عبرت. She crossed. She crossed. Alright, time for the end of the video. Yes, we've reached the end. We're going to study the numbers 60 to 70. So 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. We're going to learn how to write them in Arabic and what to call them in Arabic. So this is called 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 67. Oh, sorry, this is how we write it. This is 87. It's actually 67, 67, 68, 69, and 70. 70. Alright, another successful lesson again. Please, if you want to learn Arabic, read Arabic, write Arabic, pronounce Arabic, speak Arabic, this is the right video for you. It's comprehensive, it's free, it's for if you want to read Quran, further your career, or for personal reasons. This is the right video for you. Share it.